Tamara, great question. And I think I have an answer for you. What I want to do is just give you a quick overview, quick sketch, and maybe this will answer your question. So you were asking about the the process of adding the widget to different pages and how you get them into a funnel and all this other stuff, right? And that's sort of, complicated, but I'm going to do what I can to make it simple. If you do UpViral, whether you're ClickFunnels or some other platform that's hosted on UpViral, you're really focused on two pages or two items, the lead capture page and the share page, nothing in between. It's a lead capture tool. So it's capturing the lead. You get these leads, and then they go to the share page. That share page then sends more traffic back into the lead capture page, so on and so forth. But there's this really cool thing called custom actions that can drive traffic to another funnel altogether. So that's what I would recommend you do in my, quick overview, not understanding anything more than about 4 or 5 sentences you have here, is I would collect the leads, send them to the share page, create a custom action. That custom action incentivizes them to go into this next funnel. Ask them a question that is on page 3 or 4 of the funnel. And all of a sudden, you have incentivized them to go and take action all the way through your funnel. You've proved that they've been through it. And once they've been through it, that they get the extra points. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.